Men multiplied, and God saw their wickedness was great. Every thought was evil, and God regretted creating man. God resolved to destroy all life from the earth. But Noah found grace in God's eyes. He was a just man. Noah walked with God and had 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The earth was corrupt and filled with violence. God told Noah the end of all flesh was at hand. He commanded Noah to build an ark of gopher wood. The ark's length was 300 cubits. Its breadth was 50 cubits, and its height 30 cubits. A window and a door were to be made in the ark. It would have lower, second, and third stories. God would bring a flood to destroy all life. But he would establish his covenant with Noah. Noah, his family, and his sons' wives would enter the ark. 2 of every living thing would be brought into the ark. They would be kept alive during the flood. Of fowls, cattle, and creeping things, 2 of each kind would come. Noah was to gather food for himself and the animals. Noah obeyed God's commands precisely. He built the ark as God instructed him. He gathered his family. He prepared to save the animals. The rains began to fall. Water flooded the earth. Every living thing outside the ark perished. Only Noah, his family, and the animals survived. The ark floated on the rising waters. The flood lasted many days. Finally, the waters began to recede. The ark rested on Mount Ararat. Noah released a raven and then a dove. The dove returned with an olive branch. Noah knew the waters had subsided. He, his family, and the animals left the ark. Noah built an altar and offered sacrifices to God.